guys, Pat here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And today I'm here at Ryan's house and I'm getting ready to cut up some more fir. We took down a tree a while back. We got some of the wood cut up over there underneath the porch. And we still have some more to go. This is a 20-foot Doug fir. And we're going to make some fascia boards for Ryan and just cut some dimensional lumber so he can have on hand. He wants to replace the fascia boards on the house here. They're kind of weathered, so we're going to go ahead and cut some 1 1/4 by 11 1/2, I believe it was. I have the dimensions wrote down over here at the front of the mill, and so I'll go ahead and get the mill set up, remove the canvas and load the log and get ready to cut some wood. Well, before we get started, obviously I got to replace the blade. I don't like to store the mill with the blade on there. I believe it stretches the blade out. It's not good for it. And also when they get wet they rust, so I try to keep the blades dry and keep them from rusting, but that doesn't always happen. This is the blade I was using yesterday on the mill. Performed nicely after making some adjustments. I made some adjustment on the drive belt tension. The boards were getting wavy because the blade was slowing down and causing the cut to have a wave to it. So every time you hit a knot in a softwood, hit a knot in softwood, it would kind of travel a little bit. So now that I have the tension set right on the drive belt, it cut really nice yesterday. So I took this blade off yesterday and sharpened it this morning as I was working on chambers for Heidi's store. And I like to, when I sharpen these, I like to go several light passes all the way around, especially on a blade that's been sharpened for the first time. Again, I got this is a 20-inch Doug fir, 20 feet long. Again, Ryan's fascia boards need to be 18 feet, so he should be able to get a couple of 18s out of this piece right here. We have a lot of spangle. It's a defect in the log, so I'm going to try to find a good side on this and cut those wider boards for him. So I know there's several of you out there that like to see this kind of stuff, so this is a good practical use of the mill today where we're making some boards for Ryan. it.